So my next estimate is going to be on Ditmas Avenue in Brooklyn. And this is very interesting request. So it's a pediatrician center or something like that, some medical facility. And they are requesting, could you guys, if you're going to be cleaning the windows, could you wear some fun costumes like Spider-Man, Batman, or something like that while you're cleaning windows? I mean, I think it's very interesting and probably would be a very good advertising. I've seen guys doing it before when cleaning hospitals, children's hospitals. And we have a chance to kind of repeat that kind of thing. So it's relevantly small, not too high. At some point, it's like 3 stories, 6 or 5 stories over here at the highest point, but nice and modern building. I think that could be a really interesting job to do. So I'm gonna walk around, get a count of the windows. Just spoke with the manager and she's gonna show me the roof so we could see how we can anchor here. And that's pretty much it. Let's watch. Okay, there's a little overhang over here. It's not a problem, but it's just making it a little bit more difficult to clean in that area. All right, so long story short, these are the main windows that needs to be cleaned. So they don't want to do entire facility. Right now they are technically what's a good thing and very nice thing of doing. They just want to have like a fun thing for kids. They want us to dress into, I don't know, Spider-Man or Superman. And obviously it's going to be only 2 guys, but they want us to clean only this portion. So kids somewhere on these floors, it's a nursery home. There's also a lot of elderly people, which is going to be probably exciting for them as well. So that's what the plan. I give a price. I give 2,500. What do you think? Is it a lot? Is it too much for the hospital? Maybe not. But that's what's the prices here. We'll see how it's going to work. And stay tuned. Like, subscribe to this video. And if we're actually going to be doing this, it's going to be very fun. I will consider a good discount for them, probably, just to do it. All right, walked around, count the windows. Let's move to the next estimate.